right now it's 20 degrees or so around the Boston Metro. It's 9 in Keene for a temperature. We go to a high today in the mid-30s with sun, which is great, but you've got the wind on top of that out of the northwest, gusting at times to 20 miles an hour. It's going to feel like 10 in Boston at 8 a.m., 5 in Worcester. The kids got to be bundled up at the bus stop. It's almost like stinging cold out there. We get to the midday, it still only feels like 20 across the board for wind chill. And when the kids are getting home from school, it feels like the mid-20s, which is how it'll feel into the early evening as the wind does die down this evening. We'll stay in the 20s, probably about 20, 25 for many of us overnight tonight. Tomorrow, a lot of clouds, temperatures running in the mid-30s, and of course, the cold air is in place, right? So here comes the storm making its way through the nation's midsection, clouds riding way in advance of it. In my memo, I'm always just kind of spill for you what I've been thinking. I believe today's forecast is the best forecast possible today. I believe it's possible that if this was tomorrow, it wouldn't be the best forecast possible anymore because new data is always coming in. The storm has a double bust potential. There's two big ways we can blow it, and I'm going to show you that. I'm always honest about this stuff, and regardless, I can tell you at least it's going to snow for most of us, okay? And the reason I say that is because if you trace the atmospheric energy in orange and red, there's the storm right now in the nation's midsection. The first piece of energy breaks off and gets in here overnight or evening to overnight tomorrow night. So that's going to snow for us, right? One thing I mentioned a couple of days ago to you, though, and it's still the same way, this energy really gets stretched out. The problem with that on Sunday is a lot of times when that happens, we get surprised because the storm develops to the east more than we originally thought that it would. So I've been kind of on guard for that throughout the course of the week, and that's one way that things may change over the next 24 hours to 36 hours in the forecast. The other thing is the ocean. 44 to 46 degree ocean water temperature all the way to the Gulf of Maine. With an onshore wind, that'll certainly limit coastal snow, but we may be underestimating the influence of that. It could end up cutting amounts all the way to 495 by the time all is said and done. So what we know here is obviously that tomorrow the clouds are in, it's dry during the day. The snow breaks out lightly off the ocean at about 5 or 6 p.m. The steadier stuff in southwest Connecticut at that point moves in between 9 and 11. It snows tomorrow night. It mixes at the coast with the wind off the ocean. It goes to rain on the Cape. Sunday at 7 a.m. It's still snowing, but do you see it's already breaking up in western Mass? That's part of my concern here is that, yeah, it should snow through midday in eastern Mass, but that breaking is coming east pretty quickly, and then by the afternoon, it really would break up and taper off. So the question just becomes, if we're off by 3 or 6 hours on this from a couple days out, makes a huge difference in terms of how much snow would fall. Not thinking anything on the mid and outer Cape. I think the upper Cape gets a dusting to an inch and a mix tomorrow evening before you change over to just rain. And, you know, same thing, New Bedford, Plymouth, all along the South Shore, eastern Plymouth County, running up to Boston, running to Gloucester, probably an inch or two of snow, and then this kind of sloppy mix with the wind off the ocean. 2 to 4 when you come just inland, including I-95. Now, we've got 4 to 6, 495, and actually, if I zoom in a little bit more, you'll see even at Framingham. But again, let's watch the ocean warmth. Let's make sure we don't have to compress that even a little bit farther inland. I think this is the best forecast for now. Around 6 through the deep interior, including Worcester up to Manchester, and dropping off gradually to the north. Again, if the storm should develop a little quicker to the east, it'll drop off more quickly to the north. Here's a look to the extended forecast. It's all kind of at least improving on Sunday afternoon. Monday looks good. And then the next storm Tuesday night is a mix that goes quickly to rain. In fact, mild rain showers by Wednesday morning.